Let's talk about one of everybody's favorite topics right now, which is leads. Let's talk about how we're going to bring leads into our business using a book. Now, this is one of our personal highest performing strategies, and we use this on a regular basis within our social content as well as our marketing efforts. And so, what we're going to talk about here is how we can generate leads for 99 cents with this high performing book marketing strategy. And I'm going to walk you through the entire strategy right here. But the thing that we need to address right off the bat is that if you want to grow a business or you want to scale a business, you have to have leads. Now, the more predictable these leads are, the better. And so this strategy is really great for bringing in consistent leads that you can use this strategy multiple times a month. You can do it as often as you want, depending on your audience, you, and the decisions that you make with your marketing. But the questions that I see and that I used to ask myself were, when it came to leads, where do I find leads? How do I get lots of leads? And where can I get leads for cheap? Now, these are great questions. These are great questions, but as I started to figure out this and try all these different things, I realized that the questions I really needed answers to were, how do I get qualified leads at the right price and the right price for my particular business? And how do I make sure that these leads have what they need from my lead magnet to ensure that they have everything they need in order to convert and work with us down the road eventually. And this is a really, really important thing that I want to stress here, is that there are 1,000,001 ways to generate leads. Okay, there are tons of experts, tons of techniques, tons of strategies. And the truth is, a lot of them can work with the right systems. But this is one that I have found to really, really work well for finding the right qualified people at the right time in their customer journey. And of course, at the right price for our business. Every business has different marketing metrics, what they can afford to pay for a cost per book call, a cost per leads. Different strategies warrant different kinds of numbers and different kinds of data sets. But this is where the 99-cent strategy comes into play. So the first thing, step number one, it's a 10-step process. I'm going to walk you through each step. Step number one is you need to write a niche specific book combining, yes, there's a typo right here, combining experience with expertise. Okay. We did this in my business called Big Idea to Bestseller. It's how to write, publish, and launch a best-selling book so that you can grow your business and make an impact. Number two is, once this book is written, okay, and yes, look, I'll be honest, writing a book takes work, but there are people like us and other people who can help you do this quickly, efficiently, and effectively, okay? But then once you have your book, you want to make sure that it's available in multiple formats. You want it to be available in the paperback as well as the ebook, because this is where this strategy is really going to come into play. Once you launch your book and you've successfully launched it and you've ran your launch campaign, you can price your ebook on Amazon for 99 cents. Now you might be saying, well, Jake, why would I do this? Why wouldn't I charge more money? Well, again, it depends on the type of strategy that you are implementing. But for this particular strategy, you want to price your book at 99 cents because this is how we're going to execute it. So then, once your book is priced at 99 cents, you are not going to tell people to go buy it for 99 cents. Again, this is after your launch. This is after your bestseller campaign. This is a marketing strategy that you can do for a long period of time, okay, if you choose to do it. What you're going to do, though, is you're going to post on social media that you want to give people a free copy of your book. Now, what this is going to do is you're going to make a post. It could be a story. It could be a reel. It could be a long form. And you're just going to be like, hey, my book came out. My new book came out. My recent book came out. My best-selling book, whatever you want to frame it as. And I would love, love, love to send you a copy directly to you, okay? And you make an announcement. You're going to send it. And you are going to then, step 5, is you're going to have your audience comment or DM a keyword. So, hey, my book, Big Idea to Bestseller, just came out. It's all about this, this, and this. If you're interested, and I would love to give you a free copy, all you got to do is DM or comment the keyword book, and I'll send it right over. What we're trying to do is draw attention from those people that are already paying attention and those people who actually want your book that's on the topic of the thing they're looking to solve or the desire they're aiming to achieve, right? You could go from pleasure towards, or pain towards pleasure, or you can go from pleasure to beyond, okay? And so then you're going to engage with the response and ask for their email address. So you make this post, someone's going to comment whatever word, someone's going to send a DM with whatever the word, and then now they're in your inbox. They've opted into a conversation. All you're going to do is be like, hey, I'm so awesome. It's so awesome that you want to copy my book. I can't wait to send it to you. Here's what I need. What's your best email address? I want to make sure it gets directly to your inbox. Notice, best email address. That will often lend itself to them giving you the business address that they use. Now, of course, some people are just going to give you whatever email address they want because they know that you're sending this to them. Maybe they want it on a different device or different email, that's fine. But when you say, what is your best email address? They're more likely to respond with the one that it can get to the inbox and that has the most frequent touch points for them, which is ultimately what you want. Now, once they give you the email address, you're going to go and you're going to visit Amazon and you're actually going to buy your book as a gift for somebody else. Okay. This is what's really, really cool about this strategy is you can go to Amazon and you can buy your own book as a gift for others. It will be 99 cents. When you buy that, you will then go ahead and put in their email address for who you want to gift this book to. Okay, so for example, you want to buy a book for me, I might say support@bigideatobestseller.com. I would send the book to there. Now, here's what's also really cool. When you put your name and the email address that you're sending this book to, what you do is you can leave a little note. So you can really be like, hey, Jake, I know we've been chatting on Instagram. Here's a copy of your book. So excited for you to read it and hear what you think. You could ask a question in there. You could root them on, but it basically is like a version of you being able to get another touch point to them related to the work that you do, the book that you have to sell. Now, once you send it, you want to confirm receipt of the book directly to the inbox. You really want to make sure that it gets through. Now, here's what's cool. You're not sending an email marketing campaign that could get spam. Amazon is the one sending them the book. So by buying the digital copy on Amazon, you spent 99 cents and Amazon is sending them a copy. So you would tell the person, hey, the book's going to be coming from an email from Amazon. And they're going to really feel that that's more of a gift because Amazon packages, those are things that we get excited about. Email marketing campaigns, not something someone always gets excited about. So you confirm the receipt and then they get it. And then what you do is you continue the conversation since you know they are interested in what you have to offer, right? They raise their hand to ask for a copy of your book based on the thing that you help people do. So this is really, really great because now they're already in your inbox. So then you can start asking them questions and having a conversation about the various different things you need to know about them in order to determine if they're the right fit and if you're the right fit for them. This is a great way to then qualify them and see if they are a good fit. And then step 10 is you can rinse and repeat as a regular social media post and marketing strategy. So you can just set this up with a scheduler to make this post or on the first of every month, the Monday of every week, the Wednesday at 2 p.m. every single week, you make a post like this. And this is how you can get leads for 99 cents that are often very high quality. And you're giving them the asset that's going to help them know you best, learn what your style is, and understand your process. That's a really, really powerful lead magnet and opportunity. You got them to opt in, you got them a gift, you got their email address. Okay, and that's the strategy. Now you can do this with people you just meet. Hey, it was so great meeting you. I would love to send you a copy of my book. Now you could do this with the physical book. That price might be a little bit more expensive, or you could do this with the 99-cent book. Now there are multiple different points to this whole approach, but this is a great way to get the customer data, okay? Because when you have someone buy your book on Amazon, whether it's 99 cents, $2.99, $9.99, Amazon gets the data, you don't. So this way, you're actually getting the data from them, aka their email address, and then you're having Amazon fulfill the order for you. in a way that you know is guaranteed to get to their inbox. That is a powerful, powerful thing. So this is a manual approach, okay? And I want to show you that this is a manual approach. I get that. However, you can use softwares to respond to people that send you keywords. You can have an assistant fulfill and go to Amazon, actually buy it and put in the user's email address. You can have an appointment setter or someone from a sales team monitor your conversations, qualify your leads, and make sure everything is going according to plans. You get the customer data directly to your hand versus if they go to Amazon, which allows you to grow your email list. And you get more engagement on social media. When people are commenting and DMing, other people see that, and it starts to create this atmosphere where more people are having group thought, right? They say, oh, they wanted it. Oh, they want it. You know what? I should get this. And you can build a lot of great momentum and also goodwill by offering something that is a great, great offer. And of course, the best part about all this is you can get leads for $1. Okay, 99 cents you can get leads. So our team, we post this and we get leads. And anyone who wants in on this, we get leads for $1. And we get someone who's interested in the topic of my book, which is the topic of our business. And we're able to then qualify them, ultimately able to book them onto our calendars, and then ultimately able to invite them to work with us should it be the right fit for them and for us. This is a great, great, high-performing, high-touch point, intimate way of growing your business for 99-cent leads. Let's frickin' go. Now, this is a really, really great thing. And if you want to get a free paperback, right, the strategy was for the ebook. If you want to get a free paperback copy, what I'd love for you to do is go to go.bigideatobestseller.com/free-book, and we'll take care of you with a free paperback copy. We'll mail you a copy directly to your home. So I hope that you found value in this. If you have a book, implement this strategy. You'll get some leads right away. If you don't have a book, well, maybe you want to start writing a book so that you can have a freaking book and get leads for 99 cents. So hope you learned something. And my challenge to you is to make that next step. So if you have a book, implement this and let's get after it.